Hi, this is Arshad Qureshi and welcome to AQ Snooker. Today I have a great news that I'm part of SQ Snooker. So what is SQ Snooker? SQ Snooker is basically an international platform. It's an application that can be downloaded on your mobile, and it gives professional training routines to you. Also, you can get international professional coaching. You can contact and coordinate with international coaches in your area, in your country. Also, you can get the exact report of your skills, snooker skills I'm talking about, that where you are standing and then how gradually you are improving over the months, over the years. So it's a very good system that should be adapted by every professional player or every average club player. Even it's probably more handy to a basic player who is struggling to improve his game, or at least he has no idea where he's standing. So this application gives you a good idea about your skills, and also you can compare your skills with not only with your friend, with your country friend, but internationally as well. So I really appreciate and recommend this system, and I'm very happy to be part of SQ system as an aggregated coach. So I would like to recommend you to download this app today and add this number when you are signing up. There is a number showing on the screen to get special benefit from AQ Snooker through SQ system, and their SQ systems website is there. For more details, you can visit them. You can ask personal questions. The contact emails there. If you want to talk to me, you have my numbers, and I'm sure the snooker world and snooker players are gonna get huge benefit by adapting this system. So I'm very much happy to be part of SQ system as a coach.